Assalamualaikum. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. This is the first lesson of Nursery English. We will learn about sounds. Students, you always listen some sounds surrounding you. For example, the voice, the sound of the drum. Dhum, dhum, dhum. Here are some objects and their sounds. You will listen their sounds and you will recognize their sounds. This is a clock and its sound is. This is a bee and its sound is. This is a bird and its sound is. There is a lion and its sound is. Here is a train and its sound is. There is a tap and the water is coming from it and the sound of the water is. Here is a cute cat and its sound is. There is a bell and its sound is. I hope you enjoyed this lecture and you have learned many sounds of different objects. We will come tomorrow with another lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.